Maayong adlaw, Compostela. This is Saimi.
And I am Angel, bringing you today's weather update here on G2 Network.
It's a hot Wednesday, folks. Expect hazy sunshine all day with temperatures reaching 29 degrees Celsius. But it feels more like 34 degrees Celsius, so yes, init yun kaayo karon.
That's right, Saime. Winds are coming from the west, southwest at around 11 kilometers per hour, with gusts up to 27 kph.
Let's talk safety. With this kind of heat, it's important to stay hydrated, drink at least 8 glasses of water, avoid outdoor activities between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m.
Wear light clothing, bring your umbrellas or hats, and check on your lola, and the kids. They're more vulnerable to heat stress.
For our schools, teachers are advised to keep classrooms cool and well ventilated. PE classes may be rescheduled to early morning or late afternoon.
Barangay health centers are ready to assist with heat-related concerns. Let's help each other stay safe and healthy.
That's your weather watch today, Compostela. This is Saimi reporting.
Stay cool, stay hydrated, and stay tuned here on G2 Network. I am Angel reporting.